Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7 and Z Flip7 unboxing plus first look. Thinnest foldables ever. Revolution unfolded. Samsung's latest game changers hit the global stage. Imagine a world where smartphones adapt to your every need and smartwatches transform your well-being journey. Welcome to the future, courtesy of Samsung's latest innovations. Starting today, the eagerly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold7, Galaxy Z Flip7, and Galaxy Watch8 series are available globally, redefining the boundaries of mobile technology. Unleashing the power of foldables, Galaxy Z Fold7 and Z Flip7. After years of pioneering engineering, Samsung's latest foldable smartphones have evolved into ultra-thin, lightweight powerhouses, seamlessly integrating advanced intelligence. These intuitive companions anticipate and respond to your needs in real time, boasting expansive, flexible displays, pro-grade cameras, and context-aware intelligence. Whether you seek unparalleled productivity, creativity, or connection, Galaxy Z Fold7 and Z Flip7 open up new realms of ultra experience. Galaxy Z Fold7, the epitome of innovation. Experience immersive, high-octane performance on an expansive screen, perfect for gaming, streaming, and multitasking. With Gemini Live, share your screen and interact with your AI companion in real time. The ultra-grade 200 MP camera empowers professional quality content creation, while features like generative edit simplify photo editing by automatically detecting and removing unwanted background elements. Galaxy Z Flip7. Compact, iconic, and intelligent. This flagship powerhouse distills dynamic lifestyle essentials into a sleek, compact form. The edge-to-edge FlexWindow enables effortless self-expression, instant feature access, and seamless connectivity. Nowbar provides at-a-glance updates, while Gemini Live and FlexCam make capturing and sharing content from flawless selfies to cinematic videos an absolute breeze. But here's where it gets interesting. As we delve into the world of foldables, do you think the benefits outweigh the potential drawbacks of this innovative design? Galaxy Watch8 series, elevating wellness and comfort. Completing the Galaxy ecosystem, the Galaxy Watch8 series, including Galaxy Watch8 and Galaxy Watch8 Classic, re-engineers the smartwatch experience, focusing on ultra comfort and real-time health motivation. Advanced sensor technology and intuitive AI-powered features help you achieve a healthier, more connected lifestyle. The groundbreaking Antioxidant Index, a first in smartwatches, enables you to measure carotenoid levels in just 5 seconds, informing your wellness choices. Hands-on experience awaits. Visit Samsung's Galaxy Experience spaces in major cities worldwide, featuring interactive zones that showcase the device's design, performance, and Galaxy AI capabilities. Plus, use the new Experience Store Locator on Samsung.com to find nearby stores and get hands-on with the latest devices. Availability and exclusive offers. Galaxy Z Fold7, Galaxy Z Flip7, Galaxy Watch8, and Galaxy Watch8 Classic are now available in 49 markets, expanding to over 110 markets worldwide. Enjoy exclusive colors, comprehensive Samsung Care Plus coverage, and exciting promotions, including expanded access to Google AI Pro and 2 terabytes of cloud storage for 6 months with select devices. And this is the part most people miss: the true impact of these innovations on our daily lives. Share with us, how do you envision Samsung's latest devices transforming your world? For more information, please visit Samsung Newsroom, SamsungMobilePress.com, and Samsung.com. Terms and conditions apply. See original content for details. Will Galaxy Z Fold7 surpass expectations? Samsung's bold move with Flip7 FE. In a surprising turn of events, reports from Korea suggest that Samsung is anticipating the Galaxy Z Fold7 and Flip7 to surpass their predecessors in sales by a significant margin. However, the company seems to be aware that the Galaxy Z Flip7 FE might not generate as much interest, with only a fraction of users potentially being drawn to it. The Elec reports that Samsung aims to ship over 2 million units of both the Galaxy Z Fold7 and Flip7, marking a 10% increase from the previous generation. The Fold7 alone is expected to have a production plan of 2.4 million units, a 9% increase from last year. But here's where it gets interesting. These numbers are subject to change, as Samsung may increase them due to the strong initial demand for both devices, with the Fold 7 performing particularly well. Last year, Samsung's foldables struggled to gain any traction, making this year's projected sales a significant improvement.